Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer Uber Cash to my bank account. For Uber users wondering how to move Uber Cash funds back to their personal bank, here is what you need to know. Uber Cash is non-refundable digital balance used to pay for rides, Uber Eats orders, and other Uber services. You can load Uber Cash manually, receive it from promotional credits, gift cards, or as refunds for canceled trips or other issues. No, Uber Cash cannot be transferred to your bank account. And so sorry about that. Uber's terms clearly state that Uber Cash is non-transferable, non-refundable, and cannot be cashed out even if you added it yourself. Here's where I take a sip of wine. I'm sorry you can't do that. But here's what you can do with Uber Cash. Here's how to use your Uber Cash instead. Launch the Uber app on your phone, not the Uber driver app. At the bottom right screen, go ahead and tap on your account. And once you tap on your account, in your accounts menu, you're going to see wallet. Tap on it to view your payment methods and Uber Cash balance. Your Uber Cash will be automatically applied as the default payment for Uber rides or Uber Eats orders. If it's not selected, just go ahead and switch it on during checkout. If you're hoping to move Uber funds to a bank, here are two options you might consider. Next time using Uber gift card, it works like Uber Cash, but it's added through a different channel, still not refundable, but easier to gift or pass along. Also, if you can cash out your earnings to your bank account using instant pay or weekly automatic payout, but this applies only to Uber driver earnings, not Uber Cash. And there you have it. Uber Cash is meant for in-app spending only, and while you can transfer it to a bank, it's perfect for rides and meals across the Uber platform. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.